Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. I never say this in the beginning of the videos. I usually say it towards the end of my videos, but I'm going to say it now because I have a goal of hitting 20k subs by the beginning of March. It's a pretty big goal, but I'm going to manifest it and I'm just going to put it out in the universe. I'm going to have 20k by mid-March. Whenever I speak on something verbally or talk to somebody about it, usually it happens, and I don't do that enough with you guys, so subscribe if you're new, and we're gonna hit 20k followers, maybe sooner, so tell your friends. Maybe I'll do a giveaway, I don't know, we'll see. But today I am doing a self-care night routine, not necessarily a spa night, but just more of a relaxation, how I unwind after a long week, after a long work day, or just something for me to prepare for the next couple of days. I like to give myself these days where I can just wind down and sit down and relax and really take this time to breathe, because it is important to take care of yourself and your body and relax. As much as you might think that this stuff is stupid, boys do this too. Please do this with me. Your health is so important inside and out. This doesn't have to do with being sick health-wise or anything, just your inner self. So please take care of yourself. If you haven't done this in a while, if you haven't had a self-care night, this is your sign to do it. Whether it's reading a book, meditating, journaling, whatever the case may be, come along with me and let's have a spa night together. The first thing that I'm gonna do is take off my makeup. So I'm just gonna put my hair back, and I got this cute little headband thing from Target. If you haven't checked out my last video where I did a Target and dollar store haul, go check it out because I got amazing things. So what I do is I take the Clinique Rinse Off Eye Makeup Solution, and I just use this, and it literally melts away all of your eye makeup. I used to just take off my makeup with my face wash because I don't wear a lot. Today was just a special occasion since I got my hair done, so I would just always take off my mascara in the shower with my face, or whenever I would wash my face. But then I started to get eczema on my eyes, and I think it was because I was using it around my eyes, and you're not really supposed to do that. So I have switched. I don't know why my eyes have eczema patches underneath them, right here. I feel like I'm gonna have a flare because my eyes are very sensitive, right under here, and sometimes I'll get it on the lid, and I can usually feel when it's gonna happen, and I feel like I'm gonna wake up tomorrow. I like to take a clean face towel for when I dry my face, and then I just wash off my makeup remover, and then I look like this. So then I just take my CeraVe face wash in the hydrating facial cleanser. I really like this one. Then I'm gonna rinse that off. Let's take this little thingy and put some face soap on it. Let that boy a little wet. And I get the rest of it off because I still have makeup on, even though I just washed my face. I'm gonna rinse this off. I do this because I don't use makeup wipes or anything else on my face. I'm gonna take my Witch Hazel facial toner, and I'm doing this to get the last step of makeup off, and I'm gonna be doing a face mask anyways. Makeup always hides in your hairline, and when I don't wash my hair, I don't scrub it all, so I rely on a cotton ball and some toner to just get in there. I use the Aztec Indian Healing Clay face mask, and I just started using it, and it makes my skin feel so good. Take my face mask applicator, which I also got this from the dollar store as well. Seriously guys, go check out my haul. I found the best stuff from the dollar store and Target. What I do is I take the scooper and I do 2 scoops of it, right? And then I go in with a little bit of water. Let me get my bath towel, that way it's easier. I'm gonna just go ahead and turn on my bath. Get that going while I put on the face mask. See how it gets like clumpy like that? If you guys have any recommendations on how to get the clumps away, please let me know. Because like I said, I've never used a face mask like this before, so I don't really know. Bubble bath. I don't know how to say it. It's a lavender scent. It's so nice. I take the Dr. Teal's Pure Epsom salt, but this is a wellness and therapy with rosemary and mint. I don't take a lot. I just take a little bit and just sprinkle it. Meanwhile, I look like this, and normally I would have like a candle and stuff, but tonight I don't have a candle because the candle that I would use burned out. I need to get a new candle, so I currently don't have one, and I already lit an incense today, and I don't like to light more than 2 in a day just with all the smoke and breathing that in. Okay, so my face mask is literally almost hard right now, and this is like about the time that I take it off, but as you can hear, I'm draining my bath water because it is super high. So I'm gonna drain a little bit of it, and then I'm gonna start getting into shaving and stuff like that. So I will try to film as much as I can. It's gonna be kind of hard to film this, but I'm gonna try to just walk you guys through the steps of what I do. So before I start, these are the products I use. I start off with this Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub in Amazon Pequi. I'm not really sure what this is, but it smells so good. And then I go in with my Flamingo Foaming Shave Gel. And then I just use this men's Gillette razor. Men's razors are the bomb. And then to top it all off, I use this Dove Deep Moisture body wash with a loofah to further on exfoliate and cleanse. Okay, so I'm out of the bath and done with everything. The next thing I'm gonna do, my skincare, just because my skin is very dry from the face mask. So I just use the CeraVe moisturizer. This one is bomb. I have really sensitive skin. So the CeraVe products are really nice, and I put way too much lotion on. It came out really fast. So, I just put that over my whole entire face. Right now I'm just putting rosehip oil on my face because, like I said, we tried our skin out and did a lot to our skin, and now we just need to rehydrate and sleep on this and just really give ourselves that moisture bath. And then for my lashes, I just have this old brow gel tube that I cleaned out, and I put in Vaseline and castor oil, and I just put it on, just a cheap natural remedy instead of spending a lot of money on eyelash serums. I just take my Vaseline, I use my Vivo lotion. It's just shea body butter. It's such a thick and rich moisturizer. It is so nice, especially after you know, treat yourself and exfoliate it. It's just super rich and it literally just melts into your skin. Okay, so now I'm gonna change into my robe and do my legs, and then I'm gonna show you guys some relaxing and unwinding things that I like to do on nights like this. relaxing spa night routine, unwind video, whatever you want to call it. This isn't just for girls either. Like, this is something that men or boys also should be doing. Just like I said, take care of yourself and do things to relax yourself, not only on the outside but within as well. So it is super important to take time for yourself. I cannot stress it enough. As busy as you may be, as much as you may think that you don't have time to do it, just set aside even 30 minutes to just sit and read a book, even 10 minutes, or meditate, or just listen to a meditation thing, or do some yoga or stretch. You can literally do it in your bed. When I meditate and I stretch, I do it in my bed. Yoga I don't, but meditating and stretching I will do in the bed, and it is so easy. But I hope you guys found this helpful. I'm actually gonna go meditate right now and then go to bed. I just don't want to film that because when I meditate, it's just like my time to relax, and I don't like to go on my phone after I meditate. So I'm gonna go meditate, take this time, and then wake up tomorrow morning feeling amazing. Like this video if you haven't already, comment below some new YouTube video ideas, subscribe if you're new, and turn on the post notifications so you get notified every time I post. Bye guys!